Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about a book I really enjoyed called My Papi Has a Motorcycle by Isabel Quintero with illustrations by Zeke Pena. Zooming around her neighborhood, Daisy Ramona knows there's no better way to see your neighborhood than from the back of your papi's motorcycle. Their ride through the pages of this book are part picture book, part comic book. There's Joy's Market, where Daisy's mom buys her gummy bears, and where she can say hi to Mr. Garcia, the librarian. Abuelito is picking lemons, and kids and stray cats are playing in the streets. They cruise by some new houses going up to replace the old, and Papi waves to his worker friends. Riding around town, the smells, sounds, and sights of Daisy's neighborhood embraces her in a big hug, just as she hugs her dad as they ride. Her city might change, but as Daisy says, I know that here in our little house, there are things that will always stay the same.